preparation in advance, talking to your agent, trying to get some tips as to how you should bid, what procession levels you are comfortable with, and that extra little emotive value, that extra bit of fighting money that you may have, you can keep secret. But you need to trust the agent you're working with. That, do I see value in a property at 650? Am I prepared to go to 670? What would happen if it went to 7? So that we can help them bid to the levels they're comfortable with to have the best chance of securing the property.
All right, well, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A big welcome along to the public auction of number 37 Elstree Avenue here in Glen Innes. I would also like to take this time to introduce David Nightingale along with Jennifer Kim, the salespeople that have done a wonderful job of promoting and marketing this property. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to look for an opening bidder offer of maybe $500,000 to start the auction. Let's say go at 500, welcome on it at 500. Sorry, got it over here at 500. 520. At 520 it is here, and 40 straight back, and I say no, is it sir at $520,000?
One of the most important things that I offer is that I'm often well ahead of the auctioneer, so I'm getting buyers to think about where they're next going to bid to, what level, which might be still 2 or 3 moves ahead of where the auctioneer is calling at the moment, because I'm trying to get them psychologically ready that the price is going to get to that level anyway, so what are they going to do then? Because it's very quick that it can creep up on you, and as a buyer, if you're not prepared, you hesitate, the other buyer sees that, and you can lose the property. 680 against you on 90, do 7.
$780,000.
90.
And 7 here.
700.
It's against you. Yep. Do 10.
Move in, do absolutely nothing. 700,000 is the
10.
710. And 20 straight back is at 720 over here. First call at 720,000. Second call at 720. 725. At 725, and then come back quick, sir, with confidence at 730,000 now. At 725
730.
is the bid. 30 can I say? At 725.
Hang on, it's 25 for you at the moment. You've still got it at the moment. Hang on. He's got, no, you've got it. You've still got it. He's trying to push it up. Bid against you.
730.
It's against you now.
The first call at 730.
What do you think? 5 and that's it.
35. $735,000, and I sell for the first call at 735. Second call at $735,000.
Yep.
Third and final call, I sell away. Property is going at $735,000. Property is sold.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, well done.
Thank you.
All right. Could you just take a few minutes? Very good result for the owners, with 3 to 4 buyers bidding actively. Overseas bidder bid via telephone bidding registration and ended up securing the property.